Okay, thank you for coming back. Thank you for coming back to the channel, guys. So we are going to look at the next possible moves on these three Canadian pairs, which is AUD Canadian, Euro Canadian, and GBP Canadian. As we can see right here, as we can see on AUD Canadian, we are looking at a very good market structure right here. So we are looking at if you can look right here, this is 4 hour demand right there. We have our 4 hour demand. This was a resistance that turned into support right there. This was resistance that turned into support right here, if you can see properly. If you can see right there, that was resistance that turned into support. So this becomes our demand right there. Let's first check in into the 4 hour time frame. As you can see, we have some strong demand right here, a retest and a move that is starting to the upside. So this is a 4 hour demand, resistance turned into support around this price point right there. So this, we are just waiting for a confirmation of this candle, close of this candle above the red candle before, and we just take our entry to the upside till this level or till the top, which is our 4 hour supply. So right there, let's jump into back to the 1 hour time frame. So here we'll first label our demand and supply. So this is our demand and supply. So this is a 4 hour supply and this is a 4 hour demand. 4 hour supply is where those two price points rejected that level and we saw a big push to the downside. 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame, this is a good confirmation, and this right here has already created a very strong support right there, support that has been retested, and now we're just waiting for a close of that candle. early Asian session on Monday. Early Asian session on Monday, will be waiting for this move to the upside, guys. So if you're there in the Asian session, try to capitalize on that opportunity so that we can go to the moon, guys. Pips, swimming blues. So this move is very good. We can plot our trend line around there. We can plot our trend line around there. So first take profit will be around the trend line. Second take profit can be around there. But remember, if you're going to wait for the second TP right there, if this move is confirmed on Monday, just expect some kind of move on the in a retest format or something like a pullback, then a push to the upside, and most probably the third point might be there, move to the upside till the supply zone. Sometimes these moves tend to run rapidly, so if you get into the entry, you can get your pips, close any percentage you want, and just leave the rest of the order to run till that move is totally exhausted and you're starting to seeing pullback and confirmations to the opposite side. So guys, this is the only way you can collect more pips from an entry without adding more orders. Close part of the position and leave the rest of the position running until you see a clear indication of a change in direction, a change to the opposite side of the trend. So that is a pure confirmation of or buy side pure confirmation when the market opens Asian session Monday 24th. So let's see how the confirmation is going to be and we take that trade, guys. So that has been a Euro Canadian. Let's see how Euro that was been AUD Canadian, and let's see how Euro Canadian looks like now. So this is Euro Canadian. We had a very good move to the downward side, and we plotted our trend line following those points where the price is touching. And on Friday we saw a break of that trend line to the upside, a retest, and a clear indication of an upward move. So for Euro Canadian, the order is already confirmed, buy side already confirmed. So here, Asian session on Monday 24th, just go with your entry on buy of Euro Canadian, and let's see where the price will go. So we have two targets on this one. First, we have a target of at least 40 pips from here up to around 1.476, and we have the second target at around this point where there is this support and resistance. So this can be a price target, and we have the third target to be the real supply zone. So either you take that 40 pips or the 80 pips, or you take your very good 140 pips to the supply zone. Don't remember, this will be our 4-hour supply. So this right here is our 4-hour supply zone. So this has been a trend going down, which took around 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Trend was broken, retested, and we're seeing a move to the upside. Clear indication, buy of Euro Canadian so far, and we're looking at a buy of AUD Canadian also confirmed, and we are looking at a GBP Canadian also confirmed. But for GBP Canadian, you have to wait until the London session, because mostly in the Asian session you won't get any volume right there. You won't get any volume in the Asian session mostly. So this will be some of the targets we'll plot for GBP Canadian as soon as it confirms. Let's plot some targets right there. So this right here is a support that was created above this resistance. So this support right here made a push to the upside till the two double top right there, which was 15th, 14th and 17th on Monday last week. That position was retested on 18th, which was Tuesday, and a double top was created, which created an opportunity for sell on a GBP Canadian. So the sale created a very big move to the downside, which lasted a good 1 to 3 days. In fact, it lasted 4 days, and this entry right here, I caught this entry, and we caught this entry too. So we caught these two entries, and we didn't catch this one, but no problem. Unfortunately, we were not available to catch this. But right now we are looking at a break of this downward trend, and we're seeing a big push to the upside right there. We are seeing a push to the upside. Let's try and see if the RSI can give us some indication of the strength index. Okay, this is good also, because we are looking at the RSI pointing down, and you're looking at the chart pointing down, and we're looking at this RSI pointing to the upside. So it means here this was a very big trend going down, big momentum. As the trend was going, the momentum, the strength was decreasing as the price is going down. Strength is decreasing as the price is going down. Right now we are seeing a strength of upward before the price shows you that we are moving to the upward side. So this is a hidden divergence right there. This is moving to the upside. We are seeing a chart moving to the downside, and here we have a confirmation on the upward side. So this is a clear indication of a buy signal on GBP Canadian. So come Monday, London session in the morning, we'll wait for our confirmation on GBP Canadian to go long on GBP Canadian. If we see a break to the downside, it will be a different story. So it will be a sell, but we are waiting for a confirmation right here. Early London session, if we get that confirmation on the buy side, we'll go for buy in GBP Canadian, Euro Canadian, and AUD Canadian. I'm sure we can catch that in the Asian session, because AUD is there in Australia, and the time zones are very, very different from Europe and Australia. So AUD Canadian, catch it in the Asian session, and Euro and GBP Canadian, you can catch those in the London session Monday 24th of July. Thanks for watching, guys. Make good use of the opportunities that are created in this analysis we are posting. This is a weekend series that is posted every weekend to see the possible entries on the pairs we are always analyzing. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep it up.